Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to explore a fantastic chatbot where you can access GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 in a single window. So we will explore with some research prompts in that particular chatbot and let us see how it will generate better research content for us. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with the different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT, and we are going to get better content out of it using our research prompts. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on microgrid operation and control. So in this workshop, we are going to model DC microgrid and AC microgrid with PV, wind and battery system. So and we are going to analyze the individual modeling of each of them, that is PV, modeling of PV system, modeling of wind system, modeling of that is battery system. So after that we are going to operate that in standalone mode as well as in grid connected mode. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that, so this is the chatbot Myshell.ai. So here you can see that GPT-4 and GPT 3.5. So both of them you can access. So here you can see, just click on this explore option. So here you can see these are the different types of chatbots available in this particular AI tool. So also these are some of the best features of this particular AI chatbot. So here you can see these are the different models and different chatbots available. So you can select any chatbot you want. So here you can see Code Master, Shell GPT, Mock Interview, ChatGPT Plus, Excel Expert, Resume Helper. So like that different options are available. There are many chatbots specialized for a particular work will be available in this particular Myshell.ai, and also you can see that original character also. So you can chat with this original characters and you can see this is well-known characters and game. These are the different options available. So here we will explore with our chat with using GPT-4. So in this GPT-4 I am going to give an input prompt. So in this input prompt I am going to give generate 5 references for the paper titled, I am going to give, so energy management in microgrid. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So let us see how it will generate 5 references for us. So here you can see our content is started to generated. So here you can see an overview of ongoing research, development, demonstration projects, power and energy magazine. So these are the, as we have not asked in that particular that is prompt, recent references. So it will generate the common references by taking that is by taking all the years. Here you can see from 2014, next you can see 2015, so next to 2004, 2007, etc. So please note that references are formatted in standard citation style and include a digital object identifier when available. So like that it is asking, first we will check whether this references are correct or not. We will check it, cross check with this references in Google Scholar. So go to Google Scholar. So Google Scholar is mostly trusted website and used by many of them. So just go to Google Scholar and you can copy the content here. So that is title. So here you can see 𝐜𝐴𝐴, that is the author name. So here you can see the author name is correct only. So let us check with another random reference. So here I am going to check this reference, Gurero Chandrokar. So I am going to use this paper to check. So here you can see that yes, Guerrero Chandrokar. So it is generating references correctly only. So when you use this OpenAI ChatGPT, sometimes it may fail to generate the perfect references. It will generate the references on their own. So always be conscious about the references you are generating from in any of the AI tool. So sometimes it may fail to generate the correct references for you. So always make sure that you are generating correct references using this kind of chatbot. So after that we will start to generate content using this chatbot. So I am going to generate an outline, or I am going to give from the above references, make a literature review by proper citation, or review with proper citation. So you can give with proper citation. So with proper citation, the literature review of the particular content will be generated. So as here you can see, the literature review on topic of energy management is microgrids could be structured as follows. So here our literature review started to generate. Yes, it is citing properly only. So it is citing all the references which is available in the above chat. So here you can see the second references. Next you can see the third references. Next to fourth one. Again next to fifth one. So like that you can use this GPT-4 to generate a better references. So if you are using a GPT 3 version, so you may check it once. Sometimes the 3.5 version is a free version. So sometimes you may it may fail to generate the correct references. Always make sure that your references generated must be correct, and the correct, always cross check once. That is very important. Yes, our literature review will be generated. So now I am going to ask this chatbot to generate abstract. Generate an abstract for the research paper titled, so I am going to give the same topic here, energy management in microgrids. So energy management in microgrids. So after that click enter. So let us see how it will generate abstract for us. So here as our abstract is started to generating, the advent of microgrids has heralded in a new era in energy distribution characterized by increased reliability and sustainability and efficiency. So after that this paper dwells into the multi-phased domain and energy management within microgrid, and also you can see addressing the integration of renewable energy sources. So like that it is generating a better content only. So here you can see, yes, our abstract is completed. Adaptable microgrid that can meet dynamic demands of modern energy consumer and contribute to the resilience of broader power. A detailed abstract will be generated. I will be sure that it will around more than 250 words. So a best abstract will be must be between 200 to 250 words. That will give a best abstract for you. So make sure that your abstract will be 200 to 250 words. In this prompt itself you can give that is in the prompt itself you can give that number of words also. So accordingly it will generate the content. So next we will try to generate an outline. Generate an outline for the research paper titled. So here you can see, copy the same, that is title, and paste here and then click enter. So here you can see, so our research paper will be generated, that is content will be generated. So here you can see that our content is started to generated, the outline of that particular thing we have asked for. Yes, generated. Yes, challenges and opportunities, conclusion. So here you can see in introduction, definition of microgrids, and then you can see that importance of energy management, next objectives of paper, Next, background and evolution of microgrids components and architecture. So, and then advanced control systems for microgrids. Like that, a better outline for this paper will be generated. So, here in the important thing is that so insufficient battery to continue the conversation. Claim a free premium membership to reactive 200 daily. So, here this is the subscription option. So, you can use only limited amount of that GPT-4. So, here you can see that. So, in order to get claim, so here it will take 33 minutes to climb, that is per day a fixed numbers of claims will be only available. So if you want claim, so you have to recharge. So here you can see our claim will be recharged. If you want to earn shell points, so just click on this option. So these are the different options are available. So in order to update this shell points, so like that you can use the reward, daily reward, and you can generate a better content for your research paper. So apart from that, you can use this GPT 3.5. So it is a free version only. So you can generate whatever the content you want using this GPT 3.5 also. So this is all about this Myshell AI. So it is generating a better content, and also the important thing is that it is generating perfect correct references. So make sure that your references generated by this that is Myshell is correct, and always check it once without fail. So this is all about this Myshell array. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.